What's going on, everybody? So all day long I get these questions about how trading should be done, how money should be made, and let me tell you this much, right? Money's not made in trading by looking for the next low to buy or looking for the next high to sell or waiting for retracements to a certain point or a certain zone, a certain level. Doing this all day long. That's not how money is made in trading. Money is made in trading when you have the ability to identify certain setups that have the higher probability of playing out, right? You need to identify those things over and over again, and that may not happen every day. That may happen one day, twice a day, and then you got to wait for the next day. That's where the money is made. Once you really get good at identifying those certain things that happen over and over again, naturally you're going to start exploiting that with size, which means like naturally you're going to start increasing your risk. You're going to start increasing your lot sizes, and once you start to do that with discipline, that's where massive changes happen. Massive changes in your psychology.